Hello, lovelies. We at NIROW Health and Wellness believe that cultivating a healthy and vibrant community starts with embracing wholesome choices and fostering connections. That's why we're excited to take you on a virtual tour of the Kitchener's Farmers Market, a local gem that offers a bounty of fresh, nutritious produce and a gathering place for our community. Welcome. My name is Olivia and I'll be your tour guide as we tour the vibrant and bustling Kitchener's Farmers Market. This weekly gathering is more than just a place to shop. It's a celebration of fresh, local goodness and a hub for fostering a healthier, happier community. Guess who I see? Woohoo! Spider-Man. Like I said, it's a place where we can spend time together and enjoy the joy of coming together, the joy of sustainable living and celebration of local flavors. So before I start shopping, I'd like to pose with Spider-Man, and so this is our pose. Hey, nice one. And I had to drop some egunje for Spider-Man. So let's go as we tour the market. So beyond the delicious and wholesome offerings, the Kitchener Market is a hub for community engagement, it's a hub for education and good old-fashioned fun. Every week the market hosts exciting events and activities for the whole family, which fosters a sense of togetherness and helps families create cherished memories. We will begin our tour by looking at the produce stands. Let's explore the colorful bounty of fruits and vegetables that will have your taste buds dancing with delight. Lettuce, vibrant salad greens packed with vitamins and minerals to fuel your day. Broccoli, bustling with cancer-fighting antioxidants and fibers to keep your body in shape. Organic honey, nature's liquid gold, offering a sweet and natural energy boost. Fragrant organic herbs ready to infuse your meals with aromatic flavors and health boosting properties. Radish, spring onions, adding a zesty crunch to your dishes while delivering a punch of vitamins and minerals. Potatoes, a versatile staple that can be transformed into countless delicious and satisfying dishes. Juicy strawberries, bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants to keep your immune system strong. Vine-ripened tomatoes, a taste of summer in every bite, that is packed with lycopene for your heart's health. Mangoes, which are in season currently, they are nature's treat, offering a burst of vitamin A and fibers to keep you feeling energized. Explore the luscious green and red grapes, which can serve as a delightful snack that is loaded with a powerful antioxidants. Apples are not left out. They are a portable and nutritious pick-me-up, rich in fiber and vitamin C. We also explored mushrooms on this tour, and mushrooms are a meat-free source of protein which hosts tons of essential nutrients. The beauty of the farmers market lies in its direct connection to local farmers, which ensures that we have the freshest and most nutrient-dense produce every year that can reach your plate and provide enough nutrients for you. I'll invite you to just go tour the video and watch what we have at the farmers market. For the best deals, I'd like to say here that cash is what is used in the farmers market. There are very few vendors that use the credit or the debit card. On this tour, we only found one vendor who used a credit card, and that's why, if you notice, at the beginning of the video we had to use the ATM machine. Another trick for visiting the farmers market would be to go very early to get the freshest fruits and veggies, or go late just before the market closes to get the deals. So the market opens by 9 a.m. and closes by 3 p.m. on Saturdays. I invite you to just take a tour of the stalls, the stands, the fruits, the vegetables, explore the wonderful goodness, the bright colors, and just feed your eyes, check out the prices, and just enjoy. The wellness journey doesn't stop with the produce. For those with a green thumb, the market offers a beautiful array of seedling plants ready to be nurtured into a flourishing garden oasis. So as we stroll through this vibrant nursery, take a moment to appreciate the incredible diversity of plant life. From these tiny seedlings, many plants will flourish, providing us with an abundance of nutritious foods and herbs. Caring for these little ones is a labor of love, and with the right techniques such as proper watering, sunlight exposure, and soil preparation, anyone who is gardening will be rewarded with a bountiful harvest and then satisfaction of growing your own food. To further deepen your gardening knowledge and unlock the full potential of gardening, we invite you to join us for a virtual garden information system on the 23rd of June. During this interactive event, you will gather valuable insights from experts. You will learn tips and tricks for successful gardening, and you will have an opportunity to connect with a community of fellow green thumbs. So that is it. The Kitchener's Farmers Market is a true gem that offers a bounty of health and wellness opportunities. From nourishing your body with farm fresh produce to nurturing your soul through gardening, this vibrant gathering has something for everyone. Mark your calendars and join and get to the Kitchener's Market every Saturday morning for a celebration of local flavors, community spirit, and a healthier and happier you.